Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic: how to train your mind to become a leader. Leadership isn't just about managing people or giving instructions. It's about mindset. It's about how you think, how you handle challenges, how you inspire others, and how you stay strong even when things get difficult. Some people believe that leaders are born, but that's not true. Leadership is a skill, and like any other skill, it can be learned, practiced, and mastered. You can train your mind to think, act, and grow like a leader. So, if you've ever looked at someone confident, decisive, and inspiring and thought, "I wish I could be like that," this video is for you. Let's explore how you can train your mind to become a true leader. Body. Step 1. Develop self-awareness. The first step in training your mind to become a leader is self-awareness. Before you can lead others, you have to understand yourself. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What motivates you? What fears hold you back? Take time to reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and reactions. Notice how you respond to pressure, criticism, or failure. A leader doesn't avoid these situations, they learn from them. Ask yourself, "Why did I react that way?" Or, "What can I do better next time?" This kind of honest reflection builds emotional intelligence, one of the most important qualities of a leader. When you understand yourself deeply, you gain control over your thoughts and emotions. And when you're in control of your emotions, you can handle any situation calmly and confidently. Step 2. Build mental toughness. Every great leader has one thing in common: mental toughness. Leadership means facing problems, criticism, and even failure. But what separates a leader from others is how they respond to those challenges. You can train your mind to stay strong under pressure. Start by changing how you see problems. Instead of thinking, "This is too hard," tell yourself, "This is a chance to grow." Challenge your negative thoughts. Every time your mind says, "I can't do this," replace it with, "I'll find a way." This shift in mindset builds resilience, the ability to keep moving forward even when things don't go your way. Leaders don't avoid discomfort. They face it, they adapt, and they grow stronger because of it. Step 3. Think long-term. Another key part of a leader's mindset is thinking long-term. Most people focus only on short-term results: what's easy, what's quick, or what feels good right now. But leaders think differently. They make decisions based on what will create the best results in the future. Train your mind to see the bigger picture. Ask yourself, "Where do I want to be 1 year from now? 5 years from now? 10 years from now?" Then start making small daily decisions that move you in that direction. This is how leaders create vision, by setting goals and aligning their actions with those goals. A leader doesn't get distracted by small setbacks or temporary failures. They know that growth takes time and that consistency is more important than speed. Step 4. Develop confidence through action. Confidence is another essential part of leadership, but here's the secret: confidence doesn't come before action. It comes from action. Many people wait until they feel ready to take a step. Leaders don't wait. They act, even when they're uncertain. Every time you take action, even small steps, you train your mind to believe in yourself. If you speak up in a meeting, share an idea, or take responsibility for something new, you're strengthening your confidence muscle. Over time, your brain learns, I can handle this. That's how real confidence is built, not through words, but through experience. So, stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start now. Step 5. Learn to inspire others. A true leader doesn't just focus on themselves. They bring out the best in others. To train your mind to become a leader, learn to listen, encourage, and support the people around you. When someone shares an idea, listen carefully. When they make a mistake, guide them instead of blaming them. When they succeed, celebrate with them. Leaders don't need to control people. They inspire them to grow, to take initiative, and to believe in their own potential. To do this, you must train your mind to stay patient, compassionate, and open-minded. These qualities attract respect, not through fear, but through trust. Step 6. Keep learning and growing. Great leaders never stop learning. They read books, ask questions, and seek feedback. They understand that knowledge is power and humility is strength. You can train your mind to adopt this same habit. Spend time every day learning something new. It could be about leadership, communication, psychology, or even your own field of work. Remember, leadership isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about being the most curious, the one who's always willing to grow. Every new skill or idea you learn makes your mind stronger, sharper, and more capable of leading others effectively. Step 7. Practice gratitude and calmness. A powerful but often overlooked leadership quality is gratitude. When you focus on what's going right instead of what's going wrong, you train your mind to stay positive and calm. Leaders don't allow stress or negativity to control their thinking. They focus on solutions, not problems. They express appreciation for their team, for opportunities, and even for challenges, because every challenge teaches something. Try this simple practice. At the end of each day, think of 3 things you're grateful for. It might sound small, but it rewires your brain to stay optimistic, a quality every great leader needs. Conclusion. So, to train your mind to become a leader, remember these key points. Understand yourself deeply. Build mental strength and resilience. Think long-term and act with vision. Build confidence through consistent action. Inspire others through empathy and guidance. Keep learning, growing, and improving. Stay calm and grateful, no matter the situation. Leadership is not about having a title or authority. It's about mindset. It's about being someone who can think clearly, act confidently, and guide others with purpose. If you start training your mind with these habits today, you'll begin to see changes, not just in how you think, but in how others see you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and you want more content to help you grow your mindset, confidence, and communication skills, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Remember, leadership starts in the mind, and you have the power to build that mindset starting today.